Oh gosh. Too far there, Kaylee. Hi. Okay. Kaylee, do the thing. Go. Say, I love you.
Cheese, I love you.
Oh my goodness, Kaylee, what happened? Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Do you need help? Can you get out on your own? You get out.
Okay.
You can't? Okay. Say no. Say ta-da.
Ta-da.